How to change alarm clock sound on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change alarm clock sound on Android phone. First then open your clock, and here you can find your alarms. Now all you need to do, just select any alarm you want, like this one here. uh, just click on it, and here you will find sound, and now click on it. And if you want to change it, just you can select any classic ringtones here, or you can just take it from your device. Click music on device, and here we'll find your device music, and that's it. And that's how to change alarm clock sound on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.